Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rapids Medical with the 2 p.m. update to Winter Storm Stella in Lockport, New York. Now, since my last update, conditions have improved drastically. It is very lightly snowing now, and the only blowing snow right now is just due to the winds. Road conditions have improved. My public work crews have been working hard to try to clear the roads, and they're starting to make some progress now, which is good. Now, the storm was expected to clear up around 12:30, 1 o'clock, which it did, which is good. There's a plow going by. And considering the current conditions right now, as they're not that bad at all, this will be my last update for today. Rapids Medical signing off.